Hey guys, it's Craig with Swappy's Videos, and today what we're going to do, we're going to upgrade my Windows drive from 500 gigabytes to a 1 terabyte NVMe drive. Stay tuned. Alright, so as I said, we're going to go ahead and actually upgrade from a 5 gigabyte NVMe drive. We're going to actually upgrade to a 1 terabyte NVMe drive. So honestly, both drives that I'm using are going to be very similar. They're both the WD Black SN750, which is what this is. This is the 1 terabyte version. I just have the 5 gigabyte version currently in my computer right now. What we're going to do, we're actually going to use Acronis True Image to go ahead and actually make a bootable clone. And what this will do, this will actually make it so I can transition from the 500 gigabyte drive over to this 1 terabyte. And in that process, it will also go ahead and repartition it so that it takes advantage of the entire 1 terabyte of storage. So let's get that started here. Let me transition. All right. So as you see, here is my computer. Currently have Acronis True Image 2021 up here. As you can see, up in the corner. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to Tools. Then we're going to go to Clone Disk. It's reading one of my other drives, my storage drive, which I'm going to get rid of. So we're going to go ahead and just hit Ignore All for that. So then we have the Clone Disk Wizard. I like going ahead and selecting Manual. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do for the process here. And we're going to go ahead and select our source, which is going to be the 500 gigabyte disk. It says 465.8 gigabytes, but that is the 500 gigabyte disk. So I'll hit Next. It's going to go ahead and lock down that partition overall as well. It does take a couple minutes here. All right, now we're going to be looking at the destination disk, as you see there. That's going to be disk 3, which is going to be the 1 terabyte disk. Yes, I know. It says 931.5. As you see, I've already done this, but we're just going through it again for you guys. So as you see, the partitions have already been done, but I'm going to go ahead and actually just run through it so you can see the process. Hit Next. It's going to go ahead and let you know that there are partitions on there. That's fine. We're going to go ahead and just hit OK. And it's essentially doing the same thing. It's actually locking the drive. Now this is going to be kind of the key here. We're not going to do as is. What you want to do is the proportional option. And that proportional option, as you can see, is going to be where it does keep the size relative to the size of the drive. So whereas as is, we'll just go ahead and basically make the computer think it's only 500 gigabytes, whereas the proportional will actually make it so the partition will be still 1 terabyte. We're going to go ahead and click on Next here, and then continue forward. Now, since I am going to be transferring between 2 NVMe drives, this will go ahead and go through pretty quickly here. You do want to see the before and after. Now, if I was doing this with a brand new drive, on before it would be blank, and then after it would show the full partition map. But the speed of this is going to be very quick. I'm going to probably speed it up just a little bit for you guys in post, but it's going to lock down the partition, then it's going to go ahead and go through everything here. So it's already going through the process while it's calculating the time remaining. As you see, it's already 5 of 6 steps done. So this doesn't take long at all. The last time I did this, honestly, I think it was like 5, maybe 10 minutes overall. And that's if I'm really guessing high. I honestly don't even think it took that long. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just click on ignore because it's talking about the sectors from that other drive, which we're not even worried about here. And we are almost done. It's always that less than 1 minute. Always seems like it lasts longer. Yay! And as you see, the disk was successfully cloned. Now, to use the clone drive on the current hardware, you just power it off, remove the old drive, and then power it back on. I actually have multiple drives in this computer, so it's a little bit more complex than that, but not by much. I just have to change some things in the BIOS. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. All right, guys, overall, that's it. All I got to do now is just boot the drive to that drive, which right now, here we are. I'm already in the operating system. I've already booted the computer. So we're actually good to go overall. What I am going to go ahead and do though is, so I actually have the old drive already here. So I have the old drive here. So as you might be able to see, I don't know if it's going to focus. Probably can't see it. So this is actually the 500 gigabyte drive right here. I already have this out. And what we're going to do, we're actually going to take this drive. This is actually going to be an upgrade for my wife's computer, which is going to be that 9600K build that I did the other day. The link will be right there up in the corner. There. That's a corner. That's a corner right there. There will be a link up there for that video. And that computer will become my wife's. There is going to be a video on that very soon of me upgrading it. So I have this drive. I have a couple other parts that we have for it. We're gonna go ahead and get that going, and it's gonna be her daily work computer and a little bit of gaming too. But anyways, that's it for the video. My name is Craig. This has been Squappy's Videos. If you aren't subscribed already, definitely hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button to get notified of new videos coming out. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Hit the thumbs down button if you didn't. Either way, it helps the channel out greatly. Also, I will have some links right down in the description down below. They are affiliate links, which always do help out the channel. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Craig. Bye, everyone.